Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So in this video I'm gonna give you Sam Kolder, the latest preset Sam Kolder inspired mobile Lightroom preset, desktop Lightroom preset, as well as the camera preset, right? So this preset I personally handcrafted for you guys. So as you can see, this is the preset, right? So the very first thing we're gonna do is, as you can see, this preset or the color effect is literally looking so perfect, right? So as you can see guys, we're gonna edit the photo or we're gonna create a color effect, or I'll give you the preset which I have made already, right? So this would be the similar color effect which you would be getting. So as you can see, these are the some of the color effect, right? So this kind of color effect you will be achieving at your photos with the help of this preset, right? So if you haven't still followed me on Instagram, then just go and follow me over there. Just type ashvircreations, right? And also if you wanna follow me my personal account, that is Ashish Chauhan, right, 1996. So here is my account. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already installed the preset to my Lightroom. Alright, as you can see, FP Cold inspired AVC 2020, right? So when I will apply, as you can see, it is totally making a color change very exact like Sam Kolder's photo. So as you can see, before and after, it is literally looking so perfect. Let's try it on this photo. So guys, this you can see, it is really so dope. Let's try it on this. A very exact and a similar color effect, you can find it out here. Let's try it on this photo. So guys, you can use this photo to make your Instagram to stand out, as you can see. Right, let's try it on this photograph. So guys, as you can see the difference, it is so sick guys. This preset is, you should try it in your photos, literally so perfect. And guys, I'll tell you how to install this, right? So first of all, let's just apply it and see on other photos, right, how it actually looking. So you can apply it to your photo or portraits or many other stuff. Let's try it on this. Wow guys, so perfect. Let's try it on this photograph. So as you can see the difference. So these are the preset, right? So here is the Lightroom preset .lr template file, and here is the mobile Lightroom preset, that is .dng file, and here is the latest camera preset .xmp file. So first all we're gonna do is just right click on it and select extract here, and also do the same process over here. So you will get a folder. Now here is the .text lr template, right? So if you want to install this preset, so what we're gonna do is just right click on it and select copy. Go to my computer, go to the C drive, select the user, go to the username whatever it is right now, open that folder, and this folder would be hidden, so just make sure the folder is show hidden files and folder, right? Go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the Lightroom. Just go to the develop preset and you can paste inside the 2020, or you can create your own folder and paste inside that folder. So I have already pasted, as you can see, Cold inspired AVC 2020. FP stands for filter preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations. So you must check out filterpreset.com also. And if you want to install the camera preset, right, so here is the camera preset in Photoshop. So what we're gonna do is just .xmp file is the extension for Photoshop. Just right click on it and select the copy. Now go back and let's go to the Adobe, and here instead of Lightroom we are gonna going to the camera. Just go to the settings and we're gonna just paste. As you can see, I have already pasted. Alright, so you can find it over here, FP Cold inspired AVC 2020, right? So this is how you have to install the camera preset in Photoshop. And here is the mobile Lightroom preset that you already know, DNG preset, how to install it on your smartphone Lightroom, right? So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool preset and stuff just like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, From there you can just download all the stuff and preset just for free. And don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com, right? So you can just download from there also all the stuff and presets for free. And if you still haven't followed me on Instagram, then just go and follow me out there. Just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial guys. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.